Hello again, this is Dr. Joseph Massad, and I'd like to highlight one of the most important clinical advancements discussed in my recent article on full arch fixed implant restorations. One of the biggest challenges we face is balancing retrievability, strength, and simplicity. Traditional screw-retained prostheses are effective, but they come with technical challenges, access holes, screw loosening, and time-consuming procedures. Cement-retained options may look better aesthetically, but they introduce risks, especially with excess cement and peri-implant health. So the question becomes, can we create a system that is fixed, retrievable, aesthetic, and simpler to deliver? That's where newer attachment-based systems, such as the locator fixed concept, come into play. This approach allows us to fabricate a fixed prosthesis that is retrievable without screws or cement, simplifying both placement and maintenance. It also reduces chair time, laboratory complexity, and long-term complications. Another major advantage is versatility. These systems allow for staged treatment, starting with fewer implants and expanding later, while maintaining the same restorative platform. From a clinical standpoint, this means fewer complications, easier maintenance, improved aesthetics without access holes, and a more predictable long-term outcome. The key takeaway is simple. By rethinking retention and embracing simplified attachment systems, we can make full arch fixed dentistry more efficient, more predictable, and more accessible for both clinicians and patients. Thank you very much. I look forward to sharing the full details with you.